8878. What service is provided for aircraft operating within the outer area of Class C airspace? A. The same as within Class C airspace when communications and radar contact is established. B. Radar vectors to and from secondary airports within the outer area. C. Basic radar service only when communications and radar contact is established. The correct answer is A. As soon as two-way communication and radar contact are made, the same services are offered to aircraft operating outside of Class C airspace. 8879. What services are provided for aircraft operating within Class C airspace? A. Sequencing of arriving aircraft, separation of aircraft, except between VFR aircraft, and traffic advisories. B. Sequencing of arriving aircraft, except VFR aircraft, separation between all aircraft, and traffic advisories. C. Sequencing of all arriving aircraft, separation between all aircraft, and traffic advisories. The correct answer is A. Within Class C airspace, Air Traffic Control, ATC, provides sequencing of arriving aircraft, meaning they manage the order in which aircraft are cleared for landing. ATC also provides separation between aircraft, ensuring a safe distance is maintained between aircraft in the airspace. However, this separation is not required between visual flight rules, VFR, aircraft. Additionally, ATC provides traffic advisories to aircraft operating within Class C airspace. These advisories help pilots be aware of other aircraft in the vicinity and provide information on their relative positions. 8880. What pilot certification and aircraft equipment are required for operating in Class C airspace? A. No specific certification but a two-way radio. B. At least a private pilot certificate and two-way radio. C. At least a private pilot certificate, two-way radio, and a TSO, C-74B transponder. The correct answer is A. For operation in Class C airspace, no particular pilot certification is necessary. For operations in Class C airspace, the aircraft needs to have a two-way radio. 9399. What is the maximum indicated airspeed a turbine-powered aircraft may be operated below 10,000 feet MSL? A. 288 knots. B. 250 knots. C. 230 knots. The correct answer is B. According to Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, regulations in the United States, the maximum indicated airspeed for a turbine-powered aircraft below 10,000 feet MSL is typically limited to 250 knots. This speed restriction helps ensure safe operations and proper separation between aircraft in congested airspace. It is important to note that specific regulations and speed restrictions may vary depending on the country and the specific airspace. It is always recommended to consult the applicable aviation regulations and air traffic control instructions for the particular area in which you are operating to ensure compliance with the established speed limits. 8890. Why are certain areas that start 3 nautical miles from the coastline of the U.S. and extend outward classified as warning areas? A. To inform pilots of participating aircraft to maintain extreme vigilance while conducting flight within the area. B. To warn all aircraft pilots that flying within the area may be extremely hazardous to aircraft and occupants. C. To warn pilots of non-participating aircraft of a potential danger within the area. The correct answer is C. Warning areas are established to notify pilots of non-participating aircraft about potential hazards within the designated airspace. These hazards could include activities such as military training, artillery firing, or other activities that may pose a risk to aircraft and their occupants. By classifying these areas as warning areas, pilots who are not participating in the activities within that airspace are alerted to the potential dangers and can exercise caution or choose alternative routes to avoid the area.